everybody, it's Michelle. I'm popping on today real quick to share an unboxing video of some products that I received from PLAID Crafts. Been taking up some sun and I didn't even realize it was delivered until just a few minutes ago. So let's dig in and see what we've got here. I've got a couple of varieties of yellow paints. I've got one from the Folk Art line, a very pretty, almost a buttery yellow. And I have a more vivid yellow, which is bright yellow, from the Apple Barrel line. I also have, my favorite color is anything in the Tiffany blue or turquoise colored region. So we have Ceramic Coat, Lost Lagoon, the Delta Ceramic Coat, and then I have some folk art, Lord forgive me, Calypso Sky, very similar colors, but just a bit of variation. And I also have a multi-surface paint in Cayman Blue. Oh, I can't wait to use this. It's going to be fun. I also have multi-surface in a Moon Yellow. We have some Apple Barrel Black, some multi-surface in Baby Pink. How pretty. Some Ceramic Coat in Calypso Coral. All these yummy summer colors. Can't wait to start using these. And then I have Brushed Metal. Oh, wow. This one's going to be really a lot of fun to use. From Folk Art line. Trying to see if I can find the color on here. It's good for indoor, outdoor. It's got a matte finish. Oh, there it is. The brushed silver. I guess I get a little bit of sun blindness going on still from being outside. And I have another brushed metal here that is brushed gold. Pretty silver and gold colors. And then I have some Blue Lullaby Folk Art. Some Flag Red Apple Barrel. This one is, I think it says Palmetto from Ceramic Coat. Bright Blue Apple Barrel. Then we have some white, and I actually just ran out of my Apple Barrel white on a project I was working on just the other day. It's coming just in time. I haven't made a trip to the craft store yet. Then I have Surfboard. And that's a really, really pretty color blue. I don't know if you can see it because of the, there we go. To move it away a little bit. It's almost like a robin's egg blue, but without being too blue. That's gorgeous. And then we have Baby Pink and Folk Art. And some lime green. Look at that pretty vivid green. I gotta get to the end of the paints. Another Candid Coral. I think that was the same one, or is it a different one? No, they're actually different. It's a little darker. So I've got a darker coral color, which is nice for using for flesh tones when you're doing art. And then multi-surface in a vivid orange. I'm really excited to use the multi-surface and see what I can do with that. And then I have a variety pack of some Mod Podge. Let's see. We have Sparkle, Gloss, Matte, Outdoor, and Paper featured in this little sample pack. goodness. I have a Mod Podge sprayer, and it looks like a spreading tool. Thing is, I'm now learning how to work with a jelly press. I can't wait to use some of these paints, and I can even use that brayer, you know, as a spreader for the paints in my projects. And then we have some Mod Podge Image Transfer Medium. Oh, well, this is going to be a lot of fun. And it came with a foam applicator brush. And I have a couple of packets of paintbrushes. And as painters, we can never have too many paintbrushes. I find that I've got my certain ones that I pick on and I go through them quite rapidly. So this was my goodie bag or box from PLAID Crafts that I wanted to share it with you and tell you that I'm finally over the hurdle with some major health issues, and it wasn't COVID-19. I have some pretty severe digestive issues, and I've been working on that and trying to get healthy, and I believe that I'm finally over that hurdle. You know, 2020 hasn't been a good year for multiple reasons for most people because of COVID-19, and you know, now we're in a time that it's frightening, really, to think about society as a whole and how they're pitted against one another instead of finding common ground and being peaceful. But as I say, I'll press on, and with the Lord's good graces, I'll get to the goal. So I want to thank you all for stopping by, and stay tuned because all these goodies are going to be put to great use in some new canvas projects that I've got in mind, and I can't wait to get started. I hope you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.